Good morning, children. Very good morning of standard 8. This is your favorite game, I know. What's that, Ludo. But today we are going to do Ludo game in the form of answer, that is Dandi March game. Children, before we start the game, we should know why Dandi March was done, why Salt Satyagraha was done. So let me tell you, children. First of all, सॉल्ट विच इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट, मतलब बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो हम रोज़ का रोज यूज़ करते हैं खाने में. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट ब्रिटिशर्स इम्पोज टैक्स ऑन इट. ब्रिटिशर्स ने उस पर टैक्स डाला था. सो गांधी जी वॉज कम्प्लीटली अगेंस्ट दिस. सो टू ब्रेक द एग्रेसिव एंड अनजस्ट लॉ ऑफ द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, गांधी जी स्टार्टेड सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह. सो चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स स्टार्ट द गेम. एज पर लूडो गेम, चिल्ड्रन, एज पर लूडो गेम, what you play at home and online अभी चालू किया आपने. As per Ludo game, we start when it comes 6, right? We start in a normal Ludo game. We start when the 6 comes on the dice. But as per this Dandi March game, we will start when 12 comes on the dice. You can see 12, 6 plus 6, 12. Why 12? Because 12th March 1930, Dandi March was started. So now I start the game. Ready, children? Okay, now 6 plus 6, 12 is on the dice. So from Sabarmati Ashram, Gandhi ji, along with his followers, and how many followers were there? 78 followers. I repeat, from Sabarmati Ashram on 12th March 1930, Gandhi ji started Salt Satyagraha along with followers, that is 78 followers he started towards Dandi. And Sabarmati Ashram is in Gujarat. So he started, he's moving ahead. I'm moving ahead with the game. He's going ahead, Gandhi ji. Now he has covered almost 96.25 kilometers, and here comes the village. Gandhi ji came to the village and he gave speech. And in his speech he said, to be fearless, डरो मत, and join this movement, join this civil disobedient movement. So all those followers in this village also joined Gandhi ji. इनके साथ 78 के साथ और ऐड हो गए. And now again he's going ahead, he's going ahead, he's going ahead, he is going ahead, he is going ahead, he is going ahead, he is going ahead. And now he has covered 192.5 kilometers, and one more village, second village is there. In this village also Gandhi ji gave the same speech, to be fearless and join the civil disobedient movement. Children, many more followers again joined this movement. तो और ऐड हो गए. Gandhi ji is going ahead now with his Dandi March. He's going. Now Gandhi ji has almost covered 288.75 kilometers with his followers, and there is one more village. Same thing happened here. He gave speech. Through speech he told people to be fearless and join the civil disobedient movement. And again the followers from this village also added to this movement, and the followers increased. And now comes the last part of this game. Gandhi ji has almost reached Dandi in Gujarat, and he has covered 385 kilometers. Total 385 kilometers he covered from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi seashore. Children, he reached Dandi seashore on 5th April. On 5th April he reached Dandi seashore, but that day he didn't break. Next day, on 6th April, he broke the Salt Act. Children, on 6th April he broke the Salt Act. So this way your answer gets over. Children, this is a very nice way to learn and remember the answers. Okay, thank you. God bless.